Yeah, I mean, when they were sitting on the ground here, you hear them up there, you know, at the bend in the road when they were just sitting. That willow break back there on Bud that Sean's talking about. Give us a couple places to hunt over there.
Where was that?
Right back over there.
Where? Back this way.
I just saw like some huge.
Oh, here they come. Face mask. Get your hat pulled down.
Talk at him, Sean.
Don't move. Wait. Hey, Sauce. Wait. Get him.
There.
But
He got it.
here.
Good dog.
Sit.
Grape's just like that the time I sat here. If they'd have just got about 10 yards closer. Yeah. Boom, wasn't it? 16 to go, boys.
What are you about? Look at it.
Probably used to hear
Hearing geese constantly, yeah. Yeah, because, I mean, anytime you pull up, they're just loud.
Still.
When they're shooting hard. Come.
Get him. There was another pair.
Oh, another group coming. Another group coming.
Yeah, they're coming.
Y'all shoot that snow. Get 'em, boys.
How do we get both of the smokies?
Don't kill them. Don't shoot. They'll come back. We got an open field. We can get them. Off to the right. More.
Dad, we didn't kill either one of the smokies.
I tried.
We shot both. Not enough. No, we didn't.
Hurry up.
The snow geese are gone.
The snow geese did not fall down.
No, because we put them on it.
Don't move. Step second one from the right. Just be still.
Don't move, man.
Oh man, it's pretty.
Oh, shit.
No, wait. Let them come around.
Get them. Get them.
Watch, coming around behind you.
Dad, I killed one.
Look. Here. Get it. Here, heel. Sit. Sit first. Back.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome right there. Get him. Attaboy, Buck.
Listen.
Heel, sit, get it. You tired? Here, heel, sit. Dead bird.
I'm a little giddy.
Back.
That was cool.
I ain't gonna be happy till you cuss at him, Freddy.
Come here, you goddamn good dog. Sit. Get it. Here, heel. You're jacked up. Sit. No, here. Back.
We're gonna just let the pair go and wait on the bigger group to kill our three, or what?
I don't know. Let's let the boys shoot them if they get in here.
Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
I don't know.
Let them light, don't move. Oh my lord, do you see the geese coming, son? Jason, do you see? Wait. All right, y'all ready, boys? Get them.
Y'all get 2 or 3?
We need 2 more.
We got two.
No, we just got 1.
Oh, hell. That was dumb. Just you can't do it.
All right, my bad, guys. We should have finished up there.
Huh?
Back. Get it.
Bird up there.
Here.
Sticking home.
Sit. Sit. Back.
No.
Here. Good. Get it. Sit. Back.
We may have crapped our weedy.
Shot her wide right there.
That's about all you can do.
Double banded. Don't move, nobody.
I almost got the camera going.
Can I go get it?
No, lay down.
Here. Good dog.
Thought I did too. I don't know.
Give it.
All right. Yep. There we go.
Here. Sit. Sit.
Straight out front.
Showtime.
Get them.
Get them.
Get them.
Don't get out there.
That's a wrap. Boys, that was bad awesome.
Yeah. So they'll come in here and sit, and we can come back and do it again.
Grab a leg. Probably should put that strap off with this strap. Because they're going to want to come on.
Yeah, they gonna fall off.
They just won't take no.
They'll be here in a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Did we check them all? And we got. I mean, there's 500 pounds of this.
Oh my gosh.